almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the orange groves.
I'm glad we did get a mite carried away, huh? Yeah. I say, look out there across the water. Here's a little bit of company.
No, me, yes. Welcome, you all.
Permit us to introduce ourselves. My name is Claw, and my loquacious cousin over here is...
I'll introduce myself, if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, now, let's see now. It's right on the tip of my beak.
Clyde Birdbrain.
Oh, yeah. I'm Clyde Birdbrain.
Yo, I say, perhaps you good people have never conversed with toucan birds before.
Well, neither did we, till one day we discovered this magic sunshine pavilion.
By Jove, yes, I remember just how it happened, many bird baths ago. There we were in an explorer's launch on a mysterious river in deepest Adventureland. Off in the distance comes the fierce roar of an African lion. And as we round a bend in the river, a huge bull elephant bellows forth in protest of our intrusion. Suddenly, the treetops explode in a frenzy of outraged birds. Oh, come, you can try and we'll do better than that.
I can jolly well do one at a time.
Meanwhile, shifty-eyed crocodiles lurk by the water's edge. Work, and the giant python slithers down from an overhanging limb. What's happened? What's wrong?
I can't stand snakes.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm only relating a story. All right, Clyde, enough is enough.
That wasn't me. I never even opened my beak. Huh?
I'm sorry, friends, that was me. I hate to interrupt an exciting start. They're calling us in for the show.
For sakes, it's already showtime?
Well, land sakes, yes, it's already showtime. And Claude, I do believe it's your turn to make that next announcement, righto?
Righto. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather up all your cameras, purses, and other articles, and now turn to your left towards the tall door.
When the drums begin, they'll open magically to lead you right into the Sunshine Pavilion. Is everybody ready?
I can't hear you. Is everybody ready?
I say, have a good show. A real tropical serenade.
Alrighty, everyone. We did just ask you please wait behind that roped off line until the cast member opens the room for you. As we are waiting, friendly reminder, there is no sitting, standing, climbing, or playing on the handrails. And at this time, we do ask you please ensure your entire party is with you, as late arrivals cannot be accommodated. So how long and enjoy the show.
Buenos dias, senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Here, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That reserve is for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my number perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole! It's showtime!
In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
All the birds sing words.
And the flowers grow. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too.
All together in the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
All the birds sing words.
And the flowers grow. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing so low.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? Oh, I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mio amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws?
No, because they're macaws. And a fine feathered friend is a jolly toucan, and two can sound better than one toucan can.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
All the birds sing words.
And the flowers grow.
In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
I need to sound down.
Sing words and the flowers grow. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
I need to low down.
Tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. All the birds sing words and the flowers grow. In the tiki, 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 tiki room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
Look, here come the girls.
Ach, ja. And a wunderbar Birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a Birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble, just like the fully perchère with only feathers. There's Colette, hello Colette. Suzette, hello Mimi, Gigi, Fifi, and Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all sing like the birds sing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's all sing like the birds sing. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's all warble at night and gaze. Give your heart a treat. Take your time from the birds, now you all know the words. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birds sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 my, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, baby, say my figure. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Applause, applause, that was so good.
Wunderbar.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Ja, the birds stand still and the tiki room flies away.
Mon ami,
Quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
Somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Mesdames, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their fling. You've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
Ole, ole! Applause! Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause! Up, up, down there! Applause! Everybody stand up on your feet! Ole!
And no, as long as you're all standing.
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
It's